powerful tips to cleanse your body naturally. All of us aspire to have a healthy mind, a trim, fit physique, and smooth, supple skin. However, before we can have all of that, it is crucial to discharge dangerous toxins from our bodies. Just a few modest lifestyle adjustments will help you cleanse your body naturally. Here are 7 practical suggestions that are quick and simple to implement. 1. Lemon juice and warm water. Have a glass of warm water with freshly squeezed lemon to start each day. For even greater results, add grated ginger as well. Together, lemon and ginger enhance digestion and speed up your metabolism. For a successful body detox, make sure you're ingesting it on an empty stomach. This is one of the most powerful home treatments for detoxifying the body. 2. Replace coffee with green tea. Tea and coffee contain caffeine, which can be detrimental to your health. Exchange them for green tea, which is a far superior substitute. Along with aiding in digestive system cleaning, it also speeds up metabolism, which promotes weight reduction. 3. Avoid prepackaged fruit juices. Preservatives, flavor enhancers, coloring additives, and processed sugar are all present in prepackaged fruit juices. Instead, cleanse with freshly squeezed fruit juices, which are rich in digestive-friendly vital fibers. 4. Use water to purify your body. It's critical to maintain constant hydration. Water is necessary for the body to create saliva, aid in sweating, and eliminate waste. Make it a point to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water each day. 5. Get enough sleep. Detoxing the mind is just as important as detoxifying the body. During sleep, your brain tends to remove poisons as well. Therefore, make sure you are receiving enough sleep each night. 6. Probiotics in your daily diet. Yogurt is a vital source of probiotics and beneficial bacteria that helps with digestion and clears your digestive tract. Make sure to include yogurt in your diet each day. 7. Fenugreek or cinnamon tea. Finish your day with a cup of fenugreek or cinnamon tea. These teas speed up the body's metabolism when consumed before bed. In addition to this, they facilitate digestion, which aids in the removal of waste from the body. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.